Here it is, guys. This is the Samsung S21 Ultra 512GB Phantom Silver. All right. So this is it. All right. I just received this just now. Okay. So I'm very excited. I'm just like a kid, receiving Christmas present. Okay. So I got this. I got a 512GB. Because I want the extra 4GB of RAM. Okay. Unfortunately, they only have the 16 gig on the 512 memory, so that's why I actually picked this for future proof purpose. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, guys, if you want to hear my reviews, and also the unboxing, do stay tuned to this video throughout. Okay, till the end. So without further ado, let me be the excited kid, right, to do the unboxing of this video. Okay. So I'm going to do the unboxing. Let me just get the pen knife. Okay, guys. So here is the box itself. All right. I know it's a bit blur, but hope you guys can still see. Okay. This is of course the must-have go-to pen knife, Swiss jackknife. So let me just open it up. Still totally new, guys. Haven't even opened it yet. All right. So let me just take it out. Alright, guys, so here is the phone itself. Okay, not sure if you guys can see. Alright, so let me just put it out a bit so you guys can see. Alright, so this is the phone itself. So I'm going to take off the phone first. Okay, alright, so I'm going to leave it in the other side first. Let me go through what's inside the box first. Okay, so inside the box, okay, you can see you can see the first box here. Let me just take it out. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to get, is the charging cable, of course. All right. So unfortunately, Samsung actually followed Apple's, their way of packing. They do not give any charging brick anymore. Very funny because they actually make fun of, Apple, removing the charging brick just a few years ago. So now they are following suit. Okay, then of course it's very simple. They only have a few more documentation. Quick start guide. Yeah, I believe most of us doesn't need the documentation. Okay, so let me just put it back in. Okay, let me just put it the other side. Yeah, so that's it, guys. No more accessories inside. Okay, that's it. All right, so I'll move on to the phone itself. Okay, so the reason, also one of the reason why I did buy the Phantom Silver, right, is because I know Phantom Black is very popular. It's always sold out in Singapore. That's why I feel that I wanted to be a bit more unique. Okay, and I actually do like the way that the Phantom Silver color is. As you can see, I'm not sure you can see on the camera. Okay, you can see that once you actually turn the camera or the phone, right, okay, you can actually see that the color actually change a bit. All right, so yeah, so that's why I actually wanted to choose this color. Okay, so let me have the opportunity to do the first unpeeling, the satisfying unpeeling. Okay, so here is the camera plastic. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. Okay, so I believe they already had the screen protector paste on the phone itself. All right, so I guess those who do not need to buy a screen protector, you can just use it as this. Okay, so first impression of the exterior, I think this phone is very nice to hold. As you can see, the edges are actually rounded. Okay, so the back here, don't worry guys, it's not a fingerprint magnet. All right, so I think when I test out at the Samsung retail store, right, okay, it's actually quite fingerprint proof. Okay, but most of the time, of course, you'll be putting a this casing on it, so I don't think it will be much of an issue. So but I think most importantly, by using it naked, if you're not using any casing with it, you can be quite assured that there will be no fingerprint. Okay, so I'll go through the outer exterior of this phone. Okay, so of course, on the right hand side of the phone, okay, you can have the volume button, okay, and of course the power button. All right, okay, at the bottom, okay, you can see the USB Type C. Thank God, Samsung. All right, and then the speaker as well. Okay, so at the other side, I don't think there's anything else more. I believe this should be the antenna. Why? This should be the antenna. Okay, to receive your 4G or 5G. Okay, and of course, at the back, okay, they have all this ultra wide or this camera. Okay, from what I see is they have the 108 megapixel camera. Okay, they have the 12 megapixel ultra wide. Okay, 10 megapixel telephoto. Okay, so these are quite powerful or one of the most powerful camera on mobile devices, okay, so far. All right, so basically you also have the front camera as well. Front camera is at 40 megapixel as well. Okay, so let me just try to start up the phone, then after that I will show you guys what's inside the once I actually start up the phone. Hey guys, so I already finished setting up the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So overall, what I felt was the overall, the motion is very smooth and crisp. So as you can see, it's very smooth. Okay, so basically, I'm very happy with this purchase. All right, so there's a couple of settings that you can actually enhance. Okay, the display. Okay, of this Samsung S21 Ultra. Okay, so first thing is you can actually go to their, under the settings, go to their display. Okay, you can actually switch, the resolution, okay, of your screen, okay, by here. Okay, under screen resolution. So I'm under the Full HD Plus now. So basically what you can do is you can go to, the Core HD version, okay, which actually shows, the most accurate colors, or resolution that this phone can offer. Okay, I'm sorry that the camera is a bit blurred, but I hope you guys can see, all right, the options there. Don't think that you guys can actually see the difference from my camera. Okay, so basically you just click apply. Okay, and then you can actually, I can actually see a little bit of improvement on the the resolution of the phone itself. Okay, another thing that you can actually try, okay, to actually do the changes, okay, is the motion smoothness. Okay, so basically this is the standard one, okay, which you get 60 hertz. Okay, all right, so and then the other one, adaptive one, it will be the that you can get 120 hertz. Of course, this one you can actually you cost more this battery lah, basically. All right, so you just need to be mindful of it lah. All right, so let me just switch off the light just to make sure that you guys can see. It's a bit too, I think it's a bit bright. Okay, so now you guys can see. Okay, all right, so basically I feel that the whole phone is very is a definitely upgrade from my Mate 20 Pro, which has been 3 years already. So basically yeah, so you can see this the camera in action. Okay, I'm sorry, the camera is very blur, so it's very crisp. You can see it just take the photo very instantly. Okay, so you can switch to different mode. Okay, the 0.6, okay, or the 10 times zoom. Okay, I'm going to zoom in my com. All right, so you can take a look. Okay, and the best part of this is Samsung mentioned that the most that you can zoom in is zoom out is the the 100 times zoom. Okay, but normally I don't think we'll use until 100 times zoom. Okay, so basically I'm just going to use maybe probably up to a max 30 times zoom. Okay, so here's the video mode. Okay, there's tons of actually other things that you can actually do, okay, with this Samsung camera. Okay, hope you guys can see. All right, so I'll let you guys decide and purchase this phone and try. or you can try their Samsung, retail outlet, so that you can actually have a feel of it. But overall, I'm very happy, very satisfied with this purchase. Okay, do let me know if you want me to do any more testing of this phone. All right, I will be happy to help you guys on it. Okay, so yeah, okay guys, so this is it for the S21 Ultra unboxing and overview and review. Okay, so overall, as I shared, I'm very happy with my purchase. So I will definitely stay with me with for another couple of years or maybe more years to come. That's the reason why I bought the 512 16 GB. All right, so I hope you guys like my video. Comment down below what will be your share with me what is your best smartphone of 2021. Okay, and let me know why is it your best smartphone 2021. Okay, all right, so I love you guys. I hope you guys will love my video, and then till next time, peace out guys. Thank you so much for your support. Right, thanks.